On 27 February 2019, the government of Rwanda closed its borders and issued a travel advisory to her nationals, warning them against traveling to Uganda, saying their safety is not guaranteed. Rwanda accused Ugandan authorities of abducting its citizens and incarcerating them in non-gazetted areas. Ever since then, the border has remained closed, which has hampered the movement of goods and persons from Uganda into Rwanda. Several traders, especially those dealing in perishables, lost goods worth billions of shillings. This situation led Ugandan lawyer Stephen Kalali to petition the East African Court of Justice, based in Arusha, Tanzania.
And illegally closed the border units, no access. Traders lost in big numbers and in huge sums of money their commodities and products. We deemed it that infringes on the East African Treaty as well as the Protocol on the Free Movement of Goods and Persons, particularly Article 6.
But even before the hearing starts, Kalali is allegedly facing threats and being asked to back off the case.
Then I got information from the lawyers in Uganda here who filed the other case that there's been a lot of pressure on them to withdraw that case. But they have not withdrawn. Where that pressure is coming from, I don't know, but they say there's a pressure for them.
Yufunaris Okubo, the Registrar of the East African Court of Justice, was speaking in a meeting organized by the East African Business Council in Kampala.
Allow us to do business. We are not asking for anything too difficult. Allow us to do business between business and business. The politics are none of our business.
Don't go to Paris. Don't go to London. Don't go to Singapore. There are people in the region here with all the capacities to handle arbitration matters.
Kalali says he has received threats from authorities in Rwanda, but Rwanda denies the allegations.
The intimidations are coming from the respondent, the other side of Rwanda. It's not from the government of Uganda. It's them who are intimidating me. And earlier on, they had even tried to engage me for a settlement, and I refused. I said we cannot settle because your actions are unjustified.
What? No, that's strange. It's my first time here of it, in fact, because Kalali we meet in court. We get the threat. I don't know about it, and I'm not sure of that. And I would really contest that because it's never existed, and the government of Rwanda people are waiting. We don't have such behaviors. Why is he being threatened? By who?
Because of the increasing tensions among partner states, Uganda and Rwanda, Burundi and Rwanda, South Sudan and Uganda, Kenya and Tanzania at Namanga border, Kenya and Uganda at Busia Maraba border, the East African Community has proposed measures to deal with the partner states that violate the Common Market Protocol and the provisions in the East African Community Treaty.
What constitutes a breach of the treaty, what will constitute a breach of the Customs Union Protocol, what will constitute a breach of the Common Market. We are also suggesting sanctions for partner states that are unable to ratify protocols in a timely manner.
Since the East African Court of Justice was established in 2001, court has concluded 480 cases, with 300 cases still pending.
The highest number of cases filed through our sub-registries is through the sub-registry of Uganda. Now that has two meanings. Ugandans are vigilant about their rights. Anything happens, they run to court to safeguard it. Two, it could also be an indicator that there is more violation of the treaty from where the cases are coming from.
Kalali has successfully prosecuted cases in the East African Court of Justice.
The famous case on prisoners' voting rights as well as Ugandans living in the diaspora. The other one which is not yet decided is the one of journalists. People of the media, which is the fourth estate, were battered. You batter journalists and you come up and give apologies, it ends there. What we want is a court verdict condemning these acts, because if there is no judgment, it becomes a talk of the day.
The East African Court of Justice has set 25th May as the date for hearing the border closure petition. Jingo Francis, NTV.